Asa mo ka? Asa mo ka?
Naman. Unsa may tuyo nimo bibi?
Magpatudlo ko sa akong assignment.
Asam da imong mama?
Lagi trabaho.
Unsa man nga subject?
Science.
Science?
Oh.
Patay kabalo baga ko ana. Unsa man day question?
What is science?
What is science?
Oh.
Based on my experience,
What?
since I'm in grade school, since to my high school, and until now, science is not my favorite subject.
What?
Na, naunsa naman ni Ron. Si Papa, uy, mabi na kong kabalo.